First of all, don't touch. Now, all of you, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, now find the alphabets as we have discussed last week. Find the alphabets in the numbers. What you can see in the puzzle. Who has G? Who has G? Who has G? Who has G? Oh, Maya has G. Maya, where is G? Where is G? Put in your number. Who has O? O for orange. Who has O for orange? Who has O for orange? Who has O for orange? Find out in your puzzles. Find out in your puzzles who has O. Who has U for umbrella? Who has U for umbrella? Find out. Find out. Who has U for umbrella? Who has U for umbrella in the puzzle? Oh, he has U for umbrella. So Adib, please put U in the alphabet. Who has O? O for orange? Oh, Adina has O for orange. Adina, she has O for orange. Adina, put O for orange. And now, who has number 2? 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 Number 2? Who has number 2? Ah, he has. Zaki has. Number 2. Zaki, put number 2. Put 2. Number 2. Who has number 3? Who has find a puzzle of you? Find who has number 3? Who has 3? Who has number 3? She has. Maria has 3. Maria, put 3 in the puzzle. Okay. Who has 8? Who has 8 in the puzzle? 8. Who has number 8? लाला जी का पड़ गया पेट. क्या कहते हैं? गाड़ी नंबर 8. Where is 8? 8 number कहाँ पे? 8. 8 number कहाँ पे? 8. Who has 8 number? Who has the puzzle number 8? Who has the puzzle number 8? किसी के पास है 8? किसी के पास है 8 बच्चे? किसी के पास है 8? Okay. Now tell me who has P? P for parrot. Who has P for parrot? Who has P for parrot? Don't play, बेटा सकी. ये दोस्त को ढूंढो उसके अंदर. Don't play, बेटा. See P. Who has P? Who has P for parrot? Who has P for parrot? Who has P? Who has P? Put the P in this. Okay. Who has D for dog? Who has D for dog? बेटा देखो. Who has D for dog? Who has D for dog? Who has D for dog? D for dog किस पे है बेटा? किसके पास D? Find out. Adina, put in this O. Oh, she has D. Very good. Who has G for joker? 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 She has G for joker. Very nice. Who has number 3? Number 8? Number 8? Number 8? Number 8. Who has number 8? Who has number 8? Number 8 किसके पास में number 8 बेटा? Find out. Find numbers. 8 किस पे है 8? किस पे है 8 number? Who has 8? Who has number 8? किसके पास है number 8? Number, please help out. Find out numbers and check which number who has. Very nice. Arrange them properly. Very good. Ashab, sit down. Ashab, sit down. Sit down, Ashab. Sit down. Beti. Ji, beta. Sit down, Ji. And where is? Put the R in this. Put this number R. Ashab, beta, put it R. Ashab, put R in this. Sit down. Sit down, beta. Sit down. Put R. Put R in this. Put R. Put the alphabet R in this. लगाइए इसके अंदर. इसको लगाइए बेटा. लगाइए इसमें इसको. Take your gloves. लगाइए इसमें. लगाइए इसको. लगाइए. Okay. Who has number N? Who has alphabet N? Ibrahim बेटा. Put N in this. N लगाइए इसके अंदर बेटा. लगाइए इसमें N लगाइए इसके अंदर. Very good. Who has G for girl? Who has girl? Okay. Zaki beta, put number 8 in this. Put 8 in this. Very nice. Who has number G? Who has alphabet G? Who has G? L चाहिए आपको L. H E H. Who has G? 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 C बेटा put Fatima. Put C in this. Put C. C लगाइए इसके अंदर. And put K.